Okay, London session took one trade on GBPUSD. GU coming to London session saw this H2 breakout bar that closed below the previous day low, closed below all these ranges, and closed below the weekly breakout level. Immediate bias on GU is bearish, but overall I actually have a bullish bias. If you take a look at the weekly chart, 6 months traders closed bullish breakout, and we're currently above the breakout level. Initially, price got below it, but reacted exactly at that range and then shot back up. 3 months traders, the momentum time frame, we're also above that breakout level, so momentum on GU on the hard time frames are bullish. We've also just recently flipped the weekly breakout level. This yellow bar tells me that it's a momentum bar, and that usually means that we have just flipped the breakout level, and usually price will continue pushing at least one more bar. This is the highest probability point that the market will continue pushing in the same direction. So every time you see these yellow bars, there's at least going to be one more bar push in the same direction. So lots of bullish confluence here on the weekly and on the daily. 3 months traders close bullish breakout. We're above that breakout level. Initially, price faked out the high, then came all the way down. Market rejected the move down and then flipped the monthly breakout level. So monthly traders are currently in false breakout. And this move right now that I see over here, this to me is not a change in direction. This to me is just a pullback to continue this higher time frame trend. So that's my thesis on GU. Took a trade based off of this on GU a couple of days back, did a video about it, took a breakout from here all the way to the daily breakout level. I wanted it to break and continue up, didn't do that. Yesterday I was looking for the same move, didn't set up for me yesterday, and today we're right at that breakout level. This is the trend retracement setup, the structure. So once I saw that and price triggered that previous day low, I actually would prefer to take a reversal trade. So I was looking for a trend reversal setup. So trend reversal setups, I want to see higher time frames push in one direction. So for me, I had a bullish bias on GU, and then we have a bearish breakout day. So trend reversal setup, I want higher time frames pushing in one direction, then I want to see a bearish breakout day. The setup for me is price come down, trigger that setup time frame, the previous day low, as well as the H8 low, and then the first trade would be taking it up to the breakout level. Second trade from the breakout level to the high, and then the high, this is where I look for a breakout to continue that move. So coming into London session, I see prices come down, trigger that previous day low, trigger the H8 low. And the first thing I want to see is price get back above the previous day low. I don't look for a reversal when we're breaking out of the previous day low. First thing I want to see is price get back above that previous day low. And that's the first sign that this is going to be a possible reversal. And so once price closed above, this is when it's valid for me to look for a reversal. I need that time frame to be in a breakout reversal. So prices come down, trigger that momentum time frame, and once it triggers that momentum time frame, I'm looking for one of my alignment patterns. And when I trade trend reversals, I'm looking for a reversal alignment pattern. So here are the reversal pattern, continuation, and pullback. 99% of the time, the ones that I want to trade is this reversal one. And so once price triggers that H8 momentum time frame, I can drop down to the H8 bar, and I trade that H8 bar on the M5, and this is where I'm looking for my pattern. So first thing I'm looking for, I want to see where that breakout level is on the momentum time frame. And I can see that the H2 breakout level is right over here. And price came down, faked out the H2 low below that breakout level. So when price fakes out the low below the breakout level, I know that I am trading a reversal pattern. So the recommended entries for trading these patterns are the ones in black here. So waiting for this false breakout move, flipping that breakout level, which is happening right now. So the indicator lets me know exactly the perfect bar to enter, and this is the H2 false breakout entry. So price closed above, and at this point, I just want to see a continuation. So once the bars close above here, or not close, but push above, then I get triggered in. I think I got triggered in on this one. Stop loss at the low. And then as per the setup, the take profit level is going to be, for that first trade, is going to be the move all the way up to that breakout level, the setup time frame breakout level. So took this trade all the way up to the day breakout level. And so the whole idea is we're now in a breakout reversal on the daily. We broke out, faked out the low. This is a breakout reversal, and I want to see price get back to the breakout level. So if you look at the momentum time frame chart, everything is based off of how momentum moves. We have the breakout, market broke out, faked out the low. This is a breakout reversal, and breakout reversals I expect to go right back to that breakout level. So these solid lines, this is my expectation of what price is going to do. And that's exactly what happened. It took that trade, and then let me get out of replay mode here. It went straight to that breakout level, and that was it. So took that move, 1.5 R on this one, and now I'm waiting for a continued push, possibly a continued push, or right now it's not showing me that, but let's see what happens in New York session. So the thing with trading, we had immediate bias, immediate bearish bias coming into London. But the thing with trading is you can make money going any direction. You can have bullish bias, you can have bearish bias. It doesn't matter which way, as long as you set a bias and you know exactly which direction you want to trade, and then you just look for your setup in that direction. So in this case, I was looking for a trend reversal based off of what happened on the weekly and the daily. But if you had a bearish bias, this would be a place that you'd be interested. Wrong timing and didn't set up the way that I want, but these are the places that you'd be looking for a sell. We just reacted at the daily breakout level. We're below the H8 breakout level, and we're faking out the H8 high. This is a place that I'd be looking for a sell, but I did not have an overall bearish buy, so this is not something that I would have been looking for. But again, that's the thing with trading. You can go any way. You can make money any direction. Every single day, you can take the buys, you can take sells. But again, the most important thing is you set your bias and know exactly which setup you want to take. And that's it. Trend reversal setup on the daily, I guess. Yeah, bearish breakout day on the daily, and was looking for a trend reversal on the daily based off of higher time frames pushing up.